Hi everyone, we're out on Llyn Tegid, which is Lake Bala, in the Conway kayak, 2-man. We've got the Insta360 with me as well. I've been doing some footage out on the lake with that, which is just hovering above my head at the moment. And just sat having a breather in the middle of the lake, which you can probably just see. There's plenty of water to go around. It's probably about 3 miles to the other end of the lake, at the Bala end, and we are right at the other end. The day is a lovely day. It's got a bit of a breeze in the air and it's warm. The sun's out. We've already got caught out yesterday with a bit of sunburn, but that's our own fault. We even thought we'd made the right precautions with a hat on and everything, but I woke up with a slightly red face and red nose. It's very peaceful out here. Just swap the cameras around. You can have a look. Right the way down, about 3 miles that way, is the water sports centre right near Bala. And there's a huge amount of seagulls basking on the water here. Now, if you look over there in the distance, where you can see the caravans and that sail, that is where our campsite is. And here in front of me is the post of the Insta360 that's doing some of the other videos that you'll see. So, which I've got that tethered and fastened into the fishing rod holder. So, we have actually been buzzed by 2 hawks and been passed by a steam train on the railway line on the right. So hopefully I'll get some footage of that and you can see that. So it's very pleasant. It's a very nice campsite. Let's let you enjoy the scenery.